it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I am coming back today after being very busy for the last couple weeks so that I can share some stickers with you. And I'm going to have this be part of a collaboration for Sticker Saturday. It's a collaboration with Crafty Rose, and the information will be in the details below, so please check it out. It's fun to sometimes do something a little different. So today I want to show some of my stickers that I've collected over the years. I have some really pretty butterflies here. This is, obviously not my only stickers. I didn't mean to imply that they're the only stickers I have, but I bought these last spring. And when I collect my stickers, I put them in a storage. I just want to share the storage container here. Not all of them, but I've been trying to keep them in a craft, like a photo album storage box, which has, as you can see, stickers in it. There's some for Easter. And, each come in that's a pretty good size container. Some of them are smaller, some of them are bigger storage boxes, but it's a good tip to think of how to store your stickers. Here are these are some that I got off the internet. They're just beautiful butterfly. I think I got them off Amazon. Just some really pretty butterfly stickers. I'll just open up one of these to show you how they look. I have taken some out, so some of them are not in the packaging, but most of them are. Actually, I'm going to put them on a white background here so you can see them better. I love stickers, and I have so many, and I just want to share some with you. And I found this collaboration, and I thought, oh, this would be a good way for me to share my stickers. So here are some really, really pretty butterfly stickers that are like very delicate. You can see the shine on them. They have some really pretty foil. I'm going to try to light up my screen a little more. Hopefully there won't be too much of a glare. So there you go. A bunch of really pretty stickers. Okay. So these are like the bluish turquoise color. I have a blue, really almost like a dark blue. Here's a pinkish orangey, and I'll try to put in the description where I got these. I'm pretty sure it was off Amazon. Okay, so there's some of those stickers, and put down another packing. So I recently went to Dollar Tree, kind of found one that wasn't that close to my house, but that I just happened to stop in at, and I found these really cool Crafter Square pop-up stickers. I hope you can see how much they glitter. There's like holographic foil on there. It's just so cool. If you've seen any of my videos, which I hope you come back and check out a lot of the other videos, I like that holographic or any kind of foil that like shines like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna, if you can tell, they're popped up, so they're not very easy to put on cards, but I do plan to maybe gift them to some of my family members. I have nieces that love these type of things. So yeah, so they're really, really kind of cool. Just put them out here, show. So these just came from Dollar Tree, and I mean, I think it was $1.25, right? So I can show that you can buy stuff that are really cool, even, at discounted prices. So make sure you, check out their supply. And, yeah, I hope to come back very soon, within the next week, and do a tutorial on background making backgrounds for cards. That's what my next video will probably be about. Or might not be the next one. It might be a couple a couple ahead, just because I want to show some of the stuff I'm going to be using in the backgrounds too. And also some Easter things that I've purchased that I've got recently. So please join me again. Come back, and you know, hopefully I'll be able to continue to show some stickers. Believe it or not, like I said, like I showed, these are stickers, even though this looks, you know, it's so thin. Like a sticker like this, you have to, you know, it takes a little getting used to peel it apart, but it is a sticker. So I'll hopefully be back again with some more videos, and hopefully get to do Sticker Saturday again at some point. Okay, thank you, and have a good day. Bye.